Hello and welcome. In this episode, we're going to show you how to make Arduino LCD game and make simulation on Proteus. We choose the firmware project and choose the Arduino. We have the Arduino circuit here and we put the peripherals around it. We choose the alphanumeric LCD 16 times 2 alphanumeric LCD. We press OK. Then we place it on the circuit and then we place a push button that we will use to control the game. We then place some Arduino connections. This is the 5-volt VCC. We use it to power the LCD module. Rotate it like this. Then we get the ground connection, also to connect it to the LCD module, and place it. And place another ground for the push button. And we get some connections for Arduino. As you know, we use those connections to reduce wires to make the circuit tidy and organized. We use only labels. Those labels indicate that these points are connected together. So we can also copy them to the clipboard, then place them where we want to place. We can make rotate to make the circuit tidy as possible. We delete the connectors we will not use. Then we organize them. We copy and paste, rotate and organize. Then we connect the control pins that control the LCD module, 10, 11, and 12. We also delete unused connections and rotate and place. Of course, I'll leave the link for the simulation files, Proteus and Tinkercad, and also the link to Instructables project in the description below. Now we're connecting all the connections and tidying up. You're almost here. the ground. And now the data connections. Those connections transfer data to the LCD module. Connect them like the circuit on Instructable's website, and connect the push button. Then we upload the software. We get the software also from Instructables, and then place it in the source code window, paste, and save to start simulation, and build the file and compile it. Then we start by pressing play button down below. Okay, it worked. Then we start by pushing the push button to start playing the game. It has worked. You need to note this animating rate down below to be working in seconds, so that it's not working high or too fast or too low. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and goodbye.